listen, we can't change your income, right? We really can't. So the first thing we gotta do is make sure our clients are, well aware of their affordability and okay with it. That's gonna be a sell on both sides, the real estate agent, the realtor side and the loan officer side, right? You get past that, you get into down payment. I can give you down payment assistance, but I can't change your income. Then we get into credit. Credit is actually, I should do that under one of my niches because I've had a 400 credit score in college. I've had to fight out of that 400 credit score, and I do a lot of rapid rescores today to help people fix their credit. A lot of people come out in our 20s and 30s, we out here wild and living our best lives, right? Now we get ready to buy a house and we're 35 years old. Yeah, you're gonna pay for what you did when you was 30. You know what I mean? So, it holds us back. We can't get ahead of that, and we have to fix our credit in order to proceed. So I'm gonna say credit is probably one of the biggest reasons for denial. Then beyond that, we gotta stop disqualifying ourselves, right? Because you have one person that can apply with a retail bank, maybe their lowest credit score that they do is 620. Lowest credit score I can do is 500. I'm pretty sure that's most of the people on this panel as well. But you're dealing with a white-owned institution when you send them over there, and they only want the best and the cream of the crop. We're over here dealing with people that have challenges, and we know that we have to work with them to help them achieve home ownership. So we might have to do a loan where they have a 500 credit score today, help them work on their credit in the meanwhile, refinance them out of that rate 7 months to a year from that day, right? So it really depends on who you work with, because most of those statistics, I would assume is coming from most of these retail banks that are also white-owned institutions, not the majority of coming from black mortgage lenders that help clients like yourself. So make sure you're working with a realtist. Make sure you consider a mortgage broker as a part of your application process, because just because they got denied by one bank doesn't mean they'll be denied by all banks. And also know why they were denied. That lender is supposed to tell you and the client why they denied the client. If they don't tell you that, it makes it very hard for you just to pick it up with another bank and us know, oh, this was the issue. We can get around that issue and help you close with your client.